In the last decade, humanitarians relied heavily on logistics, coordination, protection, and cash programming skills. But the next 5 years will demand a sharper skill set. First, geospatial and data intelligence to turn satellite, drone, and field data into fast, accurate decisions. Second, digital and AI readiness. This is the use of automation, digital platforms, and predictive tools to anticipate need. Third, access negotiation to engage authorities and armed groups to secure safety while protecting humanitarian principles. Fourth, adaptive leadership, making clear, ethical decisions when information is messy and situations are unpredictable. And finally, protection and accountability skills for building programs that reduce harm and strengthen dignity. These 5 capabilities will define humanitarian response in the years ahead. Explore how in-depth research is helping humanitarians future-proof their skills.